Looking to upgrade your Lexus LS430 with an aftermarket radio but worried about compatibility? This factory antenna cable adapter bridges the gap seamlessly. It connects your new receiver directly to your Lexus's original antenna cable without any hassle. Made from high-quality materials, this adapter delivers durability you can count on. It's built to last, ensuring your radio connection stays strong over time. No more static or signal drops, just clear, consistent reception every time you drive. Installation is straightforward and quick. The adapter features a standard male Motorola plug on one end and a Lexus antenna jack on the other. This OEM-style design guarantees a perfect fit, matching your car's original setup without any modifications needed. Many users from the United States have praised this adapter for its reliability. One reviewer mentioned it worked flawlessly with their vehicle, fitting just as expected. Even those who didn't end up needing it confirmed the quality and fit were spot on. What you get is peace of mind knowing your aftermarket radio will perform as intended, without the frustration of incompatible connectors. It's a simple solution that saves time and avoids the guesswork of finding the right antenna adapter for your Lexus LS430. If you want to maintain your car's factory look while enjoying modern audio upgrades, this antenna adapter is worth a look. It offers the perfect balance of quality, ease, and durability, making your installation process smooth and worry-free. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your sound system. This Lexus LS430 antenna cable adapter makes connecting your aftermarket radio effortless, so you can focus on enjoying your drive with better audio performance.